You saw the title. Let's be quick and teach you how to increase your sex appeal by the end of the video. Step 1. Command your aura. Your aura is your silent power. Build unshakable confidence and assertive presence by challenging yourself daily. Cold showers, high-intensity workouts, and practicing stoicism will toughen your resolve. A powerful aura attracts effortlessly. Women are drawn to men who exude dominance and calm control. Step 2. Forge a unique style. To develop a personal style that screams individuality and strength, use unique accessories or signature pieces like a custom leather jacket or vintage watch. Reject trends. Focus on timeless, well-fitted clothing. Women are captivated by men with a bold, distinct style. Step 3. Ascend your status. High status is magnetic. Dominate your career, engage in side hustles, and build multiple income streams. Cultivate influential connections and strive for excellence. High status equals high desirability. Women are instinctively attracted to successful, powerful men. Step 4. Master personal grooming. Elevate your grooming to elite levels. Invest in a top-tier barber, use a tailored skincare routine, and maintain clean nails. Choose a high-quality fragrance and apply it subtly. A well-groomed appearance is essential. Women respect and notice meticulous attention to detail. Step 5. Sharpen social skills. Charisma is a weapon. Master body language, stand tall, make direct eye contact, and use purposeful gestures. Be an active listener and ask meaningful questions. Share personal anecdotes that highlight your adventures. Women are drawn to men who communicate with charm and intelligence. Step 6. Dominate your voice. Deepen and modulate your voice with vocal exercises. Record yourself reading powerful speeches to improve delivery. Avoid filler words and speak with clarity. A commanding voice makes you stand out and demands attention. If you are serious about voice maxing, I left the video above. Step 7. Be mysterious. Be mysterious by not revealing everything about yourself too soon. Keep some things to yourself to maintain intrigue. This makes others more curious and interested in you. A little mystery can make you irresistible. Step 8. Leverage mirror exposure. Boost attractiveness by mastering your reflection. Practice confident poses and expressions in front of a mirror. Refine your posture and power stances. This self-awareness translates to dominant body language. Women are drawn to confident, self-assured men. Step 9. Harness scent memory. Wear a specific scent during peak experiences like achieving goals or adventures. Choose a fragrance that evokes strength and mystery. This creates a powerful subconscious link between you and positive emotions. A unique, pleasant scent leaves an unforgettable impression. You can reach out my scent maxing tutorial by clicking the video above. Step 10. Deploy positive reinforcement. Use targeted, genuine compliments to build rapport. Compliment effort, resilience, or unique traits. Be observant and appreciative, delivering compliments with sincerity. Women respond positively to genuine appreciation and strength. Step 11. Be authentic. Finally, be authentic. Authenticity is magnetic. Be true to yourself and don't try to be someone you're not. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine and comfortable in their own skin. Authenticity breeds trust and respect. That's all for today. Apply all the information I gave here in the summer arc and enter monk mode for 3 to 6 months in the winter. You will be surprised at the number of people and girls gathered around you at the end of the process.